Hi, my name is Greg Fournier. I'm a product manager here at Hayward, and I'm going to spend a couple minutes today teaching you how to set up an account with the ProApp. For our ProApp, if you're new to it, it's our app that allows our partners to be able to service OmniLogic accounts remotely and be able to both deal with the accounts, be able to build configurations, be able to use templates, be able to see a dashboard of everything that's going on with the equipment. So we're going to start by this first training, going through how you'd set up an account. And I think you can be about 4 types of customers for us to set up an account. One, you can be a customer that already has an account. So when you go into the Pro app, if you don't know if you have an account, I'm going to click on the Pro app and I'm going to go to create an account, and I'm going to use the email that I use every day for Omni. It's product@hayward.com. And it's going to tell me that I already have an account set up. So I'm going to type product@hayward.com and I'm going to confirm it. And then when I hit OK, continue, it's going to say, oh, you already have an account. We found the account, and just go in there and log in. So if I go in here and I type in my product@hayward.com and then I type in my password, it's going to bring me into the Pro app. So first type of customer is somebody that already has an account. So I'm going to log out again, and I'm going to say, all right, I'm a different type of customer. I'm going to create a different an account. I know that I already have an OmniLogic account, but I don't have a ProApp account. So I'm going to say product Greg Fournier at Hayward@hotmail.com, because that's the account that I use that I know that has not been registered. And I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste that one. And it's going to say, oh, we see you have an account, but you haven't linked it to a company. And either I can say that I am with a company that's already in your system, in our system, or that I'm not. So if I hit yes, it's just going to say pick a zip code. So my zip code is 02852, where Hayward is. And there's an account here called Gold Line Controls. And so I'm going to hit continue, and it's going to say we're going to contact you. So within a day, you should get an email back, or somebody should say that they've set you up with an account. And if you go in there and type in your email address again, it's going to ask you to set up a password. The other type of person is somebody that is new to us altogether. And when you type in your email address, it's going to ask you a bunch of questions about your company, and then somebody's going to contact you and get you set up in our system. So in all of these cases, really everything here is that the first time that you come into the Pro app, you want to go to create an account, whether you have one or before or not. And like I said, if you had one already, for the most part, it's going to look you up in our system. So the first example that I gave was product@hayward.com. At hayward.com, it knows not only that I'm in the system, but it knows that I already have an OmniLogic account. If I spelled it right, that would be great, especially during a video. And so I product@hayward.com, copy, paste, and it's going to set up the account because it knows that I already have an account. And if I didn't have an ProApp account already, all it's going to ask me to do is create a password. So it's going to say, oh, product@hayward.com is an email that we know about. It's a partner that's a pool professional, and we're only giving pool professionals access to this app because it's very, very powerful, and we want to make sure that it does not end up causing you more or driving more calls for you. The whole idea behind this app is to drive efficiencies into your business, and once you start playing around with it, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. I appreciate you taking the time to learn how to set up an account, and I look forward to seeing you, or allowing you to see me do more videos. Talk to you all soon.